If you are a content creator or a streamer, I found a perfect solution for you guys. Recently, I was looking for an arm for my office setup and to put my microphone and to put my light. And then when I was searching it, my table space is a little bit small, but then the arms were quite big. So means to say that if I want to put the arm for my light or for my microphone, I need to buy separate arms. It was very expensive, to be honest. While I was doing that, of course, Instagram and Facebook ads, I think they hear us even. So what happened, I was scrolling through the things and then I suddenly saw this ad from the brand called Monoblocc. I saw they have this spider kind of a setup they were showing inside this thing. Behind the monitor, there was this clamp which has all the arms where the light is coming through and all the microphones and everything. You can set it up. I was like, wait, how this is even possible? But when I look into deeply into the websites and all these things, then I found out that this is the perfect solution I was looking for, even for my home setup where I stream also, and my office setup where I need to attend the meetings and all that. So Monoblocc have this VESA plate which you can actually attach to the back of your monitor and you can add external stuffs around it and it will become a whole full setup. No more clamping these arms or rods on your table and you can just suddenly have the whole amazing setup. So I reached out to the brand and they were kind enough to send me one of the amazing light rig which we will be reviewing it today. So let's unbox this and see what do we have inside these boxes. So what we have first here is the VESA plate, which is the 2-inch DRS, and let me open this. Then we will talk about their magic arm kit and we're also going to talk about their single rod kit, so which we have it here. All right, so this is the magic arm kit, if you guys can see. Okay, so I love the packaging. It's very simple, very environmental friendly, and also they have put everything here so you know what's inside the box or what to expect, and even there is a QR code you guys can actually scan and find the instruction manual inside. So first, which is the major part of it, is the VESA plate, which is the double road sided. So let me open this and see the quality. Oh, look at this packaging. I'm really in love with that. Okay, so this is what the rig looks like. This is a very this is the very good quality rig, and even if you put behind your monitor or arm or everything, it will look sleek, I guess. So that's what we have inside this box. And then what else? This one is called accessories. What we have here is the Velcro cable tie, so you can tie all the cable, nicely branded, and I really like their logo. Actually, it's very nice. And then of course we have all the important stuff, the screws, the nuts, even the Allen key and everything is available inside. The next one we have is the 15cm single rod kit, and what's inside this box? We have the tripod hat, we have the male thread adapter, screws for the rods, extension rod, Allen key, and cable ties. Again, we will have a lot of cable ties now. So how it works, this rod, there are so many threads here, you can actually put it anywhere you want. For example, if I put it here, and then let's say if this is the way my monitor will be like this, and then this is where the light or everything or anything you want to put a microphone or light or anything goes on. Same thing applies to this. I have more threads here so I can adjust it on the sides and all this. The possibilities here are limitless, and we are very excited about this to set it up to show you guys how it looks actually. And this is the adapter. As you guys can see, they have taken care of every single thing, which is also a plus, and of course all the accessories, same like the other box. In this one, we have all the Velcros, whatever screws we need, and what is even this? Even the small details they take care of. In our case, we have two of these 15cm single rod kit because we will be putting on the both sides, top or bottom or left or right. We will see which one we do. Then after that, we have the next thing, which is the magic arm kit. And this is a very thoughtful device or a product because this one can do a lot of magic. That's why they call it a magic arm kit. So what we have inside here, for example, so as you guys can see, they call it a magic arm, and what it does, it actually goes just like this. So what this can do actually, if you want to have light on the top and microphone at the bottom and coming out from the rig itself like this. That's how it looks. Amazing. This is very thoughtful. And then they have these other adapters with it, which is the 5 cm one if you want to extend your arm a little bit more for the space, so you can actually use this as well. One thing to note, that this is why it's called magic arm, because there's only one knob. Then you can just tighten this and then everything will be tightened as it is. So this is very good. I have never seen something like that before. Then of course more accessories. So let's see, what do we have inside. Same thing, a Velcro and a thread. So this is the adapter. Let me open it for you guys. So what it does, you can actually screw here just like that, and then you can have this here. So this is how it looks like. As you guys can see, your light can come, your microphone can come here, come under the monitor, and it looks amazing. And this thing goes on the VESA mount on the monitor, just like that. Okay, so out of the box so far, it's amazing. The build quality of this product is very solid. I think that's what we were expecting when we saw it also, because sometimes those arms, those clamps which we use, they are very loose, you know, when you put on the mic. I'm using one at home, some bought from Shopee, some random arm, and then whenever I put my microphone up, it always falls down, and always sometimes light is slanted and all these things. So I think this will be a perfect solution for that. So the build quality is 10 out of 10. So let's set this up to a monitor and then we will talk about it further. So what we have here is the monitor, and we decided to put it on the arm so I can show you guys how cool this looks. So we are using the AOC monitor and the AOC arm. So I will be following the instructions which I scanned the QR code on the box, and I'll be putting via that. The step one, it says that mount the VESA plate to your monitor arm. It's very straightforward. So what we need to do, we need to take this and we have to put it here just like that. All right, and then we have some screws to work with. So let's say this is the screw I'm using at this moment, which is going to be like this and just like that. And oh wow, it fits so well. I will place all the 4 screws first, and then we have to put the nuts inside to make it perfectly aligned. Okay, so this is, whoa! Okay, so this one is all set up. What we did, actually, we put in the 100 mm by 100 mm the mount, so it was wrong for us because our monitor is the 100 by 100, so we need to put on the 70 or 75, I think, here. So this fits very well, very sleek, looks good. So the next step we need to do, we need to put the screw monitor studs into the monitor with spacer. So how it works, we have these studs. Let me show you guys. Okay, so these studs goes just like that into your monitor, but I need to take out the screws for the monitor, which comes with the monitor itself. So what we're gonna do, we have the monitor which with the VESA 100 by 100 mm. These are the studs, the step 2 which we have to put in. So let's put that in. So it will fit just like that perfectly. Actually, I'm enjoying this video. It's quite interesting to figure it out. Okay, so we have all the studs in, and then the next step I have here, it says that put the spacers, and the spacers are here. So there are 2 kinds of spacers, small ones and the big ones. So let me show you guys how the small one looks like. So these are the small spacers, if you guys can see. So just drop them in like that, so it will tighten the thing and put it on the place. The next step is the bigger spacers, so the big ones, let me show you guys how they look like. These are the big ones. Then you slide them in. So all the spacers are inside with these studs here. So let's see the next step. So the last step will be actually this, to take this monitor on this arm itself. So quite straightforward, and let me bring it up. Later I'll turn it around and show you guys also how it looks at the back as well. Just slide this in just like that, and we are in. Perfect. Oh, a little bit more. Now next thing is to add the screws, so to secure it. So let me add in. Yeah, you definitely, I think you need help to do it. I think it's safer when more than one person do it, and tighten the screw just like that. One side, and the other side. I must say that this is one of the very neat setup. I must say, I did not expect it to be look so sleek at the back also. So all good. So let me show you guys from the other angle as well. I think it's very secure. I can move it around my arm like how I want it to be. I was genuinely concerned about this. It might look very bulky, it might look not nice and all these things. Look at this. It looks super sleek and clean and all nicely done. Okay, so the next thing what I need to do, I have shown you guys previously this 15cm monoblock arm. This is for my light. So that's the setup. You can put it here, you can actually put it on the side. If you have two lights, let's say, you can actually have one here and one on this side. For this video purpose, let me put it here. There we go. It fits perfectly nicely. And I have a plan for this magic arm. My plan is to go under here, so my microphone comes from the bottom of the monitor. So for that, remember, I have shown you guys the adapter. So this is the adapter. This is how I'm gonna put the adapter for tighten it up. So the next thing I wanna do, I wanna put this magic arm just like that. And then here, the magic happens. You can actually adjust where you want it to be. So in my case, I think it looks pretty straight. Let me turn it around. So my plan is, this is where my microphone will go and I will bring it slightly up just like that. And then my microphone just goes exactly how I wanted it to be. Perfect. And this fits very well. I can actually move it around just like that if I want it to be in the straight. I have another microphone also which takes the audio from here, so I think I will be putting that as well later on, just for the video purpose, to showcase you guys that this is how it works and it fits perfectly fine. And if you even want to like do this way, which my plan is, I think this is how my microphone will be, because I'll be talking from here. So I think it looks, I can see all my controls here, which is very good. So the next thing what I want to do, I want to add my webcam on the top here. This is how I want it to be. So remember, they have given all the adapters which we need for this purpose. So let's say this small one, actually, I can put this here, just like that. And then I can put my camera here. More flexibility in arranging my camera with this knob as well. So instead of just going up and down, I can have adjustments from this also. And then the last thing what you want to do, you just put your camera here. Perfect. And there we go. So I want to make it look like a little bit down, so I can have it here. Perfect. This is the flexibility I love, because this is the last time I have a problem with my cameras. Now I can't I can just go up and down and I cannot move left, right and all these things. Now with this help and the height, I love it. This is the perfect height for me. I can adjust wherever I want it to be. The next step, I have this light, which is my key light for my meetings and all that. So I will be putting it here on the side. So remember, at the back, we have this another extension we can put here. So my light will be just beside it. Same thing, attach here. Okay, so the next thing, I want to put my light on, and we have set this up already on the side. I think it will be a perfect combo. So what I'm gonna do, I am going to have this mount here, just like that. I'm very happy that they thought of every single thing. Whatever I need is there. And I will just put this adapter nicely, and the light goes here. There we go, perfectly aligned. And then I'll just unscrew this to adjust my light. There we go. I think I want it to be just around here. Wow, this is perfect. Ta-da! I think this is what you call a perfect setup. They have a lot of velcros and everything. We can like nicely tie up all these things, as you guys can see in our B-rolls now. And I think this setup, it looks amazing. I can adjust how I want it to be, up, down, move it around. Everything goes with it. And look at the back, so clean. And imagine 1, 2, 3 are coming out from here, more microphones or other lights from anything you can imagine of. I have seen some of the pictures people have put like those Steam Decks, and also they have that thing attached here. So I think one very important thing here is that, for example, if you have a moving setup, like some people do have like a standing desk and all these things, and you want to move everything around, you can just move it around with this one arm. Everything is connected so nicely. So in conclusion, everything seems perfect, smooth. The setup was, I think it was easily doable. Instructions was beautifully done. And this is one of kind of the videos which we go out of our things which we usually do, like tack and all these things. And I think we always forget about how important these all small elements are into our setups nowadays. And the possibilities with this, I have said many times in this video, are endless. You can be creative in your own way how you want to do it. So super happy with this. And if you guys have any questions about it, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to reply those. And please note that they also have the other versions of this set. So we have the light set, and what you can have a bigger ones which you can even extend further. So if you guys have any questions about it, let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to reply you guys. And if you want to know more about the product, all the product links, discount codes will be available in the description of this video. And I would like to end this video by saying thank you to Monoblocc one more time, providing us with this amazing gear which we can add into our setup. So super excited to more use it and share with you guys in my upcoming videos. I'm looking forward to review more of their products. I think their catalog have a lot of amazing stuff, and I'm really excited to see what other things they will bring out for us. I think they are the genius people behind all these things, and thumbs up for that. If you guys have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Many of you, we know from our analytics, you are not subscribed to our channel. So give us subscribe, hit that button as is your own. So we will see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.